Good morning.
It's now 6:30, I think.
Yeah. 6:30 in the morning.
And today we're not going to do a normal flight, we're going to do a mountain sightseeing flight. We're going to see the Mount Everest, I hope.
If the weather is okay.
Yes, to see the Himalaya. We're departing from Kathmandu and it's about 45-50 minutes, depends. So very curious, we're going to try to sit in the back to show you as much as possible because we don't want to see the wing of the plane, so we can show you everything. So unfortunately our flight is delayed. All the other flights are departed, but we're still waiting. It's, I think, yeah, 1 hour too late. And we missed the sunrise because of the delay. So they just told us the visibility improves in about half an hour, and then they have enough visibility to land back here because that was the problem. And we were a bit doubtful because sometimes we're skeptic, but it's because the other planes are a bit smaller. It seems that they need less visibility because the planes are smaller. Yeah, so we're gonna wait another approximately 40 minutes and then we go. We thought it wouldn't happen anymore today, but we're leaving now to go on the plane.
Yeah, with a small group, because about 7-8 people canceled their flight. They don't want to wait any longer, but we waited and hopefully we go.
I don't know what to say. I'm very excited. I don't know what to expect really, because normally you see the mountains from up high, so I'm very curious how close we can see them and how low. Yeah.
And only 11 people in the plane.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah, the big one. How close are we now?
We're quite close.
So we just witnessed the Everest.